welcome. It's Gillykube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing this round canvas. It is a 40 centimetre diameter, and I'm putting it on my spinner, and on the top of my spinner I've put a shower cap to keep the spinner clean. It was just a spinner I got from a local home store, so I didn't get it from anywhere special. So I put my tray on top of there, which has got, this is just a cake tray, it's got those two knobbly bits, and it actually is really good at helping it stop spinning off. But I'll put it on there, so I'm not going to spin it fast, I don't think, but I think maybe I better add just a couple of pieces of masking tape to kind of let the canvas sit, grip onto the tray underneath. Whether it'll work or not, I have hope that it will, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's just to try and give it a little bit of stability, as you try to do. Everybody needs stability. There you go. So looks good to me. Ooh, it's going really fast. Okay, so that's that, and I am going to maybe use some earthy colours with some metallics. So I will just go for gold today. Yeah, I'm going to put some gold in it, and I'll try and do a split canvas, so keeping the canvas two colours. So we'll give this a go. So I hope I'm finding you guys all well and good, and not feeling too sad or lonely. Remember, I always say go, please ring a helpline if you're feeling particularly sad or lonely. Don't suffer in silence. So I'm using these little silicone reusable cups, so stop wastage, and the little spatulas are all reusable. You just allow the paint to dry on them, in fact, and peel the paint off. Or if you want to use your cups quickly again, I just wipe them out. So this is a metallic bronze, and I'm thinking that this might not cover as well as I'd hoped, but I just wanted to, I'll see how it goes. I might have to blow that paint around. See how it goes. Let's see if I can just blow it so it covers nicely. Covers the edges. It's quite therapeutic just doing that alone. So that's the metallic on that side, and I've got a sand colour for this side. Now I'm thinking that I probably should have made a a burnt umber. I don't think I've got burnt umber mixed. I've got golds, but we'll see. Maybe it does need something more to lift the colour, so I'm not too worried if I get it mixed. Definitely doing the split colours. I think I'll do the same again with my sand colour, is just to blow it off so as it covers it more evenly, I guess. The baby blower, it's called a Baby Baileys, but I actually got it for $4 from a charity shop. So I know loads of people always ask me every time I use it, try something with this. I want to do a background as well. So it's kind of using the black Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol. You'll kind of get my gist in a minute, hopefully. Let's see if I can get this to happen. Rightio, I'm going to give it a swipe. Oh, that's beautiful. That is gorgeous. I hope that can get close up of that. Wowzers, trousers! What's good about the spinner, isn't it, that you can take it whichever way you fancy. That's gorgeous, actually. Now, I'm not sure what the black will look like over the metallic, but I just want to dry, add some heat to bring up my cells. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous just on its own. Really beautiful cells. This metallic copper is transparent, and you can see it. I can see on the side of the canvas. It's not really covering the canvas because it's transparent, but I'll give it a red hot go, see if I can get something nice out of this. Let's try this black, see if the black's swiped in there. Oh yes, that looks nice too. Wow, it looks pretty nice just on its own, like a yin and a yangy thing. A yin and a yangy thing. Oh, look at that. That's really nice. Okay. I probably shouldn't change that now. I was going to do something else with that, but it looks so nice. Wow, that is lovely. I think that is so simple and so minimalistic, but it looks so effective with a coat of resin on that. I think it's going to be a winner-winner. I think it's going to be a winner-winner chicken dinner. What do you guys think? Should I do any further with it, or shall I just leave it? I think I'm going to allow it to dry, and I might actually paint around the border of the canvas in black because it needs coating. This is transparent paint. The metallic copper is, and I can see that that's not going to cover that canvas on the edges, so I might just go over that. But it is like a yingy yangy thing. I don't know all about those things, but yings and yangs. It is a very minimalistic, a very super sweet, easy thing to do. So I'll let you be the judge and tell me, should I add anything, or will I add anything in a future video? Okay, my lovelies, please take care of yourself in these uncertain times. If you are sat lonely, please ring a family member, a friend, or a helpline, or do something that gives you joy. My lovelies, I will say bye for now. Just wanted to bring you guys down and just have a look at the close-up effects of this. super gorgeous lacy cell structure in it. Super gorgeous. I couldn't be more happier with just that simple black swiped over the sand colour and the metallic copper. Look at that. I mean, this is really awesome for a background, but it looks so effective as it is. I mean, I was going to do some blown flowers over that, and I still may do. I just let it dry off a little bit, see really what I feel is best for it.